How to log in into Telegram on laptop or PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Telegram on your laptop or PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you must install Telegram desktop in your laptop. If you have already installed it, now you can open it up. After you have opened it up, click on Start Messaging. Now, all you have to do is you have to scan from your mobile Telegram. So if you are already logged into your Telegram account in your mobile device in the Telegram application, so what you have to do is open up Telegram in your mobile device. After you open it up and you are logged in, here towards the top left there is 3-line icon. Tap on it. Now tap on Settings. Once you go to your settings page, you have to scroll down and then under Settings tap on Devices, and there tap on Link Desktop Devices. After that, you have to scan this QR code which is displayed in your laptop to log in. After you scan it up, you'll be directly logged into your Telegram account in your laptop or PC. Or if you want to log in using your phone number, you can also do that. Click on Login using your phone number, enter your login and your mobile number and your login credential, then you will be logged into your Telegram account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.